Greetings friends, today, I bring you a project that could revolutionize how we use our social networks in Web 3. Are you ready to get rewarded for doing what you already do every day? Let's talk about Teneo, the first project built on Peaq that creates a DePIN data layer designed for training AI models. We all know that accessing data from platforms like X, Instagram, or Reddit is becoming increasingly expensive and restricted due to API limitations. But guess what? The real value of these platforms doesn't lie in the platforms themselves but in your data. And yet, they don't pay you a single cent for it. That's where Teneo steps in to change the game. They've developed the Teneo Community Node, a free browser extension that collects the data you generate while browsing, bypassing the high costs of APIs. And the best part? They reward you with Teneo tokens while protecting your privacy, or at least that's what they promise. This reminds me of other DePIN projects you might know, like Grass, NodePay, Dawn, etc. But as you can see, Teneo has its own unique approach. Now that you know the project and what they do, let me show you how simple it is to run a Teneo community node. Until a few days ago, the process was a bit more complicated because their browser extension wasn't yet available in the Chrome store. You had to download the file and install it as a developer, which I found a bit tedious or challenging for some users. That's why I had delayed creating this video. But as I mentioned, they recently released their latest version in the Chrome store, and installing it couldn't be easier. Here's the link I'm showing you on screen. It's better to use the official site for security reasons since searching directly in the Chrome store might lead you to install a malicious clone of the application. Alright, click here and indicate that you want to install the browser extension. This takes us to the official version of the Teneo Community Node in the Chrome store, where we simply click Add to Chrome, and that's it. Once installed, create your account with an email and password. And here's a bonus. If you use my referral code shown on screen and in the description, you'll get 2,500 free points to start with an advantage. Verify your email. Then log in using the email and password you just created. As you can see, your first points are credited. Currently, only one account is allowed per device, even if they're on the same network. You can also install this extension on your smartphone using a browser that supports extensions. In my case, I use Kiwi, and the installation process is the same as what I did for NodePay in the video linked above. Now, just browse as usual and let the points accumulate while you use your social networks. If you enjoyed this content, leave me a like, subscribe, and activate notifications so you don't miss more ways to earn in DePIN. See you in the next one.